Implementing an effective integrated business planning process is no easy task. Even when coordinated by the most experienced project managers, armed with significant organizational support, these do-it-yourself projects often stall out, leading to C-suite level frustration. If you're looking to get a DIY IBP project back on track, follow these 5 steps to regain momentum. Assess the current process. Take an in-depth look at how the current process is operating to determine pros and cons. Revisit the original IBP vision. Over time, the process might have changed from its original concept, or the original aim isn't on point. Use the Oliver White Class A Standard for Business Excellence to assess processes to determine gaps. Review roles and accountabilities. Make sure that roles are clearly defined and skill sets are aligned to help avoid problems down the road. Revisit the implementation process. It should take months, not years, to implement IBP. If your DIY implementation has stalled, compare your implementation approach to Oliver White's fast-track proven path and determine if any key steps were missed or not executed well. Agree on the improvement plan. The final step is for managers to take all the information gleaned from the first 4 steps to come up with an improvement plan that can be executed quickly. Get buy-in and commitment of resources from leadership and monitor progress regularly. This will serve as a guide for improving competency, performance measures, and business results. Keep in mind, a DIY recovery may be just as challenging as a DIY implementation, but you don't have to do it alone. Oliver White can conduct a diagnostic review of your current IBP process and create a custom improvement plan. For more information about how Oliver White can help get your company's IBP implementation back on track, contact us today.